Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create a landing page on Aweber. This landing page will be hosted on Aweber. That means you will not need to have any kind of website or hosting for that. So by promoting that landing page or marketing it to appropriate mediums, you can attract readers, you can capture readers email and name and other information and market your product to them. So let's see how we can create that landing pages. So first I will just click here landing page, and then we will click at create a landing page, and then the good thing is we will get to see a library of templates. So whichever templates you find interesting, you can choose that one. I am looking for something simple. Let's say you have a course and you want to create a landing page for your course. Now just you can preview the landing page if you want. Okay, it's like that, or you can just choose it. Now we can actually edit the landing page as we want and design it with these blocks. So first I can change the logo if I want. So if I want, I can just go to image gallery, because I have a logo uploaded at my images, and I can just click here, and this is my logo, though it isn't looking that nice, but let's say that this is just my logo. And here you can write the things about your course, like welcome to my content writing course. I have a content writing course, so I'm just writing those things. Let's write a couple of more things. In this course you learn how to write contents for your blog Okay, that's simple for this demonstration. Now I can click on the button and I can change the text. If I click here, I can change the alignment, I can change the shape. Hopefully, yes, you can see the shape is getting changed, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I can either make it this way, or if I click here order form, an order form will appear. So if someone, I think it goes like here, if someone clicks here, then they will get an order form, and if they decide to pay, then they will get this receipt. I think it goes like that. So so if you want to use this, you will have to connect it to a Stripe account, otherwise you can't use it, because this button directly makes the visitors pay for the course. So you will have to connect a Stripe account with it. So I can just click here. I just want to change the text. To change the text, you can just drag it down here. So I can right click here to buy my course. I can make the my course with bold and underlined. If I want, I can change the color. Hopefully, yes, I can make it a bit yellow color. You can have all the adjustments you needed, and then you can write something about your course here and make necessary adjustments. Let's say I want to put an image here. So in that case, I will just click the image block and drag it down here. Yes, here. Okay, nothing is happening. Yes, it is happening now. So an image block is here. Now I can upload an image here, or I can go to image gallery and search something in the stock image. I have selected an image, and yeah, it looks nice, right? Then I can choose the design, thumbnail or original. So yeah, you can do that. You can choose the alignment and many things like that. You can link the image to something. So there are many options. We'll just have to play around with those options. And actually this is how you can design the landing page. And after you have designed the landing page, you can click save and exit. And tada, your landing page is ready. So first you will need to publish it. We should have named the landing page, I forgot. Okay, we have published the landing page. Now this is your landing page URL. So if you click here, you will go to your landing page directly. Yes, this is the landing page. Now if you don't have any website, so you can directly promote your course through this link, because this is the link where Aweber has hosted this landing page. It is on Aweber. So whenever someone buys your course, so the way they will put their name and email, Aweber will catch those names and emails and put them in the list. And after they have paid for the course, you can directly give them access to the course, things like that. So this is just like how to do a landing page for a course. As you have seen, there are many other templates. You can do anyone as you like. So this is how actually you will design a landing page. It is that simple. Now let's say you want to host that landing page on your own website. Let me just share what I mean. Suppose the landing page URL is now like this, a very ugly URL. So you don't want Aweber to host the landing page, you want to host the landing page on your own website. So it will look something like yourdomain.com/micwritingcourse, something like that. So if you want to do that, you can do that very easily, just with 5 minutes. So first you will have to log into your website. I am in the WordPress dashboard of my website. So first you will have to install a plugin. It is the Aweber plugin. Just go to plugin, add new, and then search for Aweber. You will need to install and activate this plugin. I have already done that. So after you activate the plugin, you will need to connect the plugin with your account. There will be an option to that will say connect now. Just click on that option and they will let you go through the whole process. It will just take 1 minute. So after you have connected the account, now for hosting this landing page on your website, first you will need to create a page, the page where you will host the landing page. Let me just clarify. First go to page and then go to add new, and then we will create a dummy page like my writing course, something like that. We will publish the page. Okay, the page has been published. Then we will go back and we will go to Aweber landing pages. Now make sure this list, right now my active list is MMBP. This is the activated list. I have named the list MMBP and my landing page is under this list. So after you have gone to landing page, make sure you have clicked here and chose the correct list, like this MMBP and this MMBP. You have to choose the correct list, and then you will see this landing page, the one we have already published. Now what we can do is click the link button here, and we will have to select the page that we have just created. We have just created this page, and I will just link this page. Click here, and tada, everything is done. Now if I go to this page and if I visit the page, this, you see, we have hosted the landing page on our website. It is as easy as it seems. There is nothing complex to it. So this is how you can easily create a landing page on Aweber and host it on your own website. And if you want to start email marketing, now is the very high time, because Aweber is having a free plan right now. So up to 500 subscribers you can use Aweber for free. If that interests you, there will be a link in the description. Just click on that link and you will go to Aweber, and you will need to fill up a form just with your name and other information, and then your free account will be created. That link is an affiliate link, so that if you decide to buy the Aweber premium plan in the future, then I will get a commission for that, and thank you for that. So this is all about how to create landing page on Aweber. I hope you have found today's video helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Take care.